compact metal case and lightweight design, advanced look-ahead hybrid limiters, timecode and pinpoint accuracy, 6-input 8-track recording, super low noise mic preamps. First step in audio recording is to format the SD card. Power the Zoom by connecting the battery to an adapter. Plug in the DC high-res cable by twisting it until it clicks. Unscrew the back panel and insert the SD card. Turn on the zoom by pushing in the power button. The display window will load on. To format the SD card, press Menu. Twist the scroller clockwise. Go down to SD card. Format SD card 1. Press Yes. To get a signal from the microphone input, scroll down to Input, scroll down to Phantom, and in Input 1, where you insert your first microphone, which tends to be the boom, check that the voltage is 48. To set up files, go to Record Play, and make sure that you're recording in Tri-1 6 PolyWav. And for timecode, make sure that frames per second is set to 25 ND. This is now formatted the SD and set up files so you can record.